Thank you very much for that wonderful, very erudite and impassioned explanation of the thing. There was one point which I think I need to remind you. The first diplomatic mission to Tibet was led by a Scotsman. And next year is the 250th anniversary.
Oh.
George Bogle.
Oh, Bogle, yes.
Who was a graduate. No, he wasn't. Yes, he was a graduate at this university.
Bogle was there in Tibet in mid-19th century, yes. And he may also have a Tibetan child.
1774. He spent 6 months with the Panchen Lama.
Yes.
Yes. It was a wonderful camaraderie.
18th century.
Yes, 18th century.
Yes. Thank you. I'll read more.
On a more serious point, you talked of leverage. Can you explain why it was so important to re-establish the all-parliamentary group in the Indian Parliament? Is there an idea of being able to extract leverage from India?
Everywhere we try to form parliamentary groups for Tibet.
진당하기 체축기 지동국 병합 중앙알로라 더다 견학 마슌기 아니 벤지 고진 주시바 전부 지주된지 개류 이시 진례 평소 배상보초 더다 먼저 고사초니 아니 군진 벤진 군진 주지바는 원지 나네 니마 숨기 제라 아니 견학 마슌기 아니 벤지 군진 주지바 더다 용자라 아니 개류 추기니마 아니 광탕 아니 야비용 아니 낭미 아니 되네 경제 차리를 붙이죠 아니 젠기 체네 다팔 아니 가성 참여 교대 아니 다로 다른 이슈 잡기 아니 리보 거기 요래 디체장다 먼저 산다파도 아니 다 배매직 주당 아니 배경라 겹쳐낭이 아니